Hey everyone, Dulce here, and so you want to grow an avocado tree? Well, follow me. Let's take out the seed. Here's the seed, and now we've got to peel it. Yes, peel it. And here's what the seed looks like after you peel it. Next, place the seed in a jar or cup and place water halfway to the seed, allowing half of the seed to get air. Now, depending on the seed, it may take up to a couple of months before you see it crack. Just be patient. From there, the roots will begin to grow, and of course, this can take a while also. Getting to this point can take a while, but it's worth the wait. Growing avocado trees also helps you work on patience. Once your avocado seed looks like this, it's ready to be put in soil. Okay, it's time to plant your seed, but first, line the bottom up with paper. Once you've lined the bottom up with paper, it's time to add some soil. I'm using this, Nature's Care Really Good Compost. I put enough soil just to line the bottom. Now place the seed on top, and it's time to add more soil. This is what it should look like, and I did not pack the soil. Now it's time to water, and that's it. Now you can grow your very own avocado tree, saving you money and possibly making a little profit from any extra trees you don't want. These trees also make for a great gift as well. Growing an avocado tree, so easy a caveman can do it.
What's that supposed to mean? Do you hear that? That is really condescending.
Alright y'all, hope y'all enjoy this. Love God because He loves you. And y'all have a nice day now, y'all hear? Bye!